ESL Express!
Hello, young explorers. Today, we're going on an exciting safari adventure. We'll learn how to say, "this is" and "that is" as we explore the jungle. Ready? Let's go. This is a backpack. Say it with me. This is a backpack. This is a hat. This is a map. This is a compass. This is a pair of binoculars. That is a giraffe. That is a lion. That is a tiger. That is an elephant. That is a parrot. Now, let's go walking and see what animals we can find in the jungle. Remember, we say this is when something is near, and that is when it's far away. Keep your eyes wide open. Let's go. What's this? This is a parrot. What's that? That is a monkey. What's this? This is a giraffe. What's that? That is a zebra. What's that? That is a lion. What's this? This is a parrot. What's this? This is a butterfly. What's this? This is a chameleon. What's that? That is an elephant. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing. See you on our next exploration.